Why is HashMap faster than HashTable in Java? HashMap is not synchronized, therefore no thread locking overhead. HashTable is synchronized, hence every operation is thread safe and slower performance. What is the difference between array list and linked list? Array list uses a dynamic array. It is faster for random access. Linked list uses doubly linked list. It is faster for insertions and deletions. Use array list when reads are more frequent. Use linked list when modifications are more frequent. What is difference between comparable and comparator? Comparable is used to define natural ordering of objects. It has the compare to method. Comparator is used to define custom sorting logic. It has compare method. Use comparable when there is one default order. Use comparator when multiple sorting options are needed. What is difference between checked and unchecked exceptions? Checked exceptions are checked at compile time. They must be handled or declared using throws. Unchecked exceptions occur at runtime. They extend runtime exception and are not mandatory to handle. Use checked exceptions for recoverable conditions. Use unchecked exceptions for programming errors. What is difference between HashMap and concurrent HashMap? HashMap is not thread safe. It allows null keys and values. Concurrent HashMap is thread safe. It uses internal locking for better performance. It does not allow null keys or values. Use HashMap in single-threaded environments. Use concurrent HashMap in multi-threaded environments. What is difference between interface and abstract class? An interface defines a contract. It supports multiple inheritance. Methods are abstract by default. An abstract class can have method implementations. It supports single inheritance. It can have state and constructors. Use interface for capability. Use abstract class for shared behavior. What is difference between fail fast and fail safe iterators? Fail fast iterators throw concurrent modification exception. They detect changes in the collection during iteration. Fail-safe iterators do not throw exceptions. They work on cloned copy of the collection. Fail-fast iterators are faster. Fail-safe iterators use more memory. What is difference between final, finally, and finalize? Final is a keyword. It is used to restrict modification of variables, methods, or classes. Finally is a block. It is used to execute important code whether an exception occurs or not. Finalize is a method. It is called by the garbage collector before object destruction. What is difference between string, string builder, and string buffer? String is immutable. Any modification creates a new object. String builder is mutable. It is not thread safe and is faster. String buffer is mutable. It is thread safe and slower due to synchronization. What is difference between stack and heap memory? Stack memory is for method execution and local variables. It follows last in first out order and is fast. Heap memory is used for object storage. It is shared across threads and is slower than stack. What is difference between throw and throws? Throw is used to explicitly throw an exception. It is used inside a method. Throws is used to declare exceptions. It is used in method signatures. What is difference between deep copy and shallow copy? Shallow copy copies object references. Changes affect the original object. Deep copy copies actual objects. Changes do not affect the original object. What is difference between static and instance variables? Static variables belong to the class. They are shared among all objects. Instance variables belong to object. Each object has its own copy.